Welcome to Choice Champions. The best auto polish is probably one of the most essential tools in any car enthusiast's arsenal, and finding the right one can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of auto polish, exploring what makes a great product, and helping you navigate the options to achieve that showroom shine. We'll cover everything from scratch removal to enhancing your paint's depth and gloss. Number 5. CR Guys Plastic Restorer, bring trim back to life. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that don't last? This product will renew, seal, and protect any interior or exterior surface. It's designed to last for several months, saving you time and money. Have you experienced streaks after the first rain? This product repels water, ensuring it stays looking great for months. You can finally stop the madness and enjoy a consistently clean look. Do you hate those greasy products that never dry? This product restores and leaves a great finish, but more importantly, it will completely dry to the touch. No more ruining your detailing supplies. CR Guys cares about quality. Their products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The CR Guys team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, a member of their team will do everything in their power to make it right. They are here to help you. What we like. This product is designed to bring your car's plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces back to life. It offers long-lasting protection, ensuring your car looks its best for months. If you have faded or worn trim, this is the perfect solution to restore and protect it, leaving a dry-to-the-touch finish. What people say. This is exactly what I wanted to make my vehicle look like new in the areas that are so commonly overlooked, but after this product is applied it can be clearly seen and has that new look effect. Very easy to apply with an applicator pad, and it came with one, and the product lasts more than adequate enough time. It worked, looks good, and after a light rain overnight, still is black. Number 4. CR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax 18-ounce Kit. Are you tired of products that don't last? This spray wax produces a deep shine and gives lasting protection. It works at the molecular nano level for instant results. This product is super quick and easy to use, and it's safe to apply onto every surface on any vehicle. Never again worry about white residue or streaks. Use it on paint, plastic, glass, and everything else. Most products will make your car look pretty good, but this brings the gloss and reflections up another level. The head-turning shine is sure to make all the neighbors jealous. We care about quality. The products are produced with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high-quality products that always work great. The team cares about customer satisfaction. If you ever have any concerns, let us know, and a person from the team will do everything in their power to make it right. What we like. This hybrid spray wax uses an advanced formula to deliver a brilliant shine and lasting protection. It's safe to use on any surface of your vehicle, from paint to glass. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to achieve a head-turning shine, this product is your best choice. What people say. You can spray this on all the black plastic cladding, and your weather stripping, grille parts, black plastic on your pickup's bumper cover, mud flaps, windows, wheels, no problem if you get overspray on the tires. It not only acts like a wax, but it also protects from UV damage. Easy to apply, remove leaves mirror shine. Fingernail scratches at door handles, gone. Rain rolls off leaving shine not spots. Applied to window exterior, no streak clear in rain. No wax smell. Best buy. Do not pass up. Number 3. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax, Banana Scent. This is the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. It's designed to give your car a deep, wet shine. The easy on, easy off liquid formula makes it simple to use. This wax is perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even RVs. It provides a long-lasting protection. It will make them look their best. The liquid formula goes on smoothly. It wipes off effortlessly, leaving behind a brilliant shine. You will love how easy it is to apply. Enjoy the pleasant banana scent while you wax. It makes the detailing process more enjoyable. The scent is a nice bonus. Get that deep, wet shine you've always wanted. This wax enhances the color and provides a protective layer. It is a great choice for your vehicle. What we like. This wax provides a deep, wet shine that will make your car look stunning. The easy on-off liquid formula makes application a breeze. If you like a product that is easy to apply and gives your car a beautiful, glossy finish, you should consider this wax. What people say. This is a Carnauba product and will thus provide great shine. The shine is superior to what you get with the spray waxes that I listed above. Whatever your goal might be and whatever the condition of your paint, this product will offer an improvement in appearance. Number 2. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish, Metal Restorer. This metal polish from Chemical Guys cleans, restores, and protects various metal surfaces. It removes oxidation and stains, leaving behind a brilliant finish. It is safe for use on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. The polish quickly eliminates tarnish, rust stains, and oxidation. It reveals a smooth, reflective surface. This product is designed to bring your metal surfaces back to life. It includes a durable protective sealant. This helps resist future oxidation, grime, and light debris. This ensures the treated surfaces stay protected for longer. It's safe for use on automotive, motorcycle, SUV, and marine metal parts. This includes wheels, trim, exhaust tips, and railings. You can use it on a variety of metal surfaces. Apply with a microfiber or foam applicator. Work it into the surface, and buff to a high gloss shine. The process is simple and effective. It's also ideal for restoring household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and decorative metal items. It brings them back to a like-new shine. This makes it a versatile product for various needs. What we like. This product cleans, restores, and protects metal surfaces like chrome and stainless steel. It effectively removes oxidation and stains, revealing a brilliant finish, and includes a protective sealant. If you have metal parts on your car, motorcycle, or even around your house that need some love, this is the perfect solution to bring them back to life. What people say. This polish is easy to apply and remove. It leaves a deep, glossy shine. The product effectively removes minor scratches and swirl marks. Number 1. New Finish NF76 Once a Year Car Polish. Are you tired of constantly polishing your car? This product is designed to last. It's the only auto polish tough enough to be called the once-a-year car polish. This automotive polish uses zinc cross-linking polymer emulsions. This unique formula helps it last longer than other polishes. It provides superior protection for your vehicle. You can apply it anywhere, even in direct sunlight. It's simple to use and provides a brilliant shine. It's not just for cars. It's also ideal for boats, motorcycles, and chrome. This makes it a versatile solution for all your polishing needs. It has been the #1 best-selling car polish for 4 years, and counting. This product is a trusted choice for car enthusiasts everywhere. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This car polish offers once-a-year protection, saving you time and effort. It is durable and can be applied even in direct sunlight. If you are looking for a long-lasting polish that is easy to apply, this is the product for you. What people say. The polish is easy to apply and remove. It leaves a smooth, glossy finish. It effectively removes minor scratches and swirl marks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.